Most people with sleep apnea don't know they have it. Common symptoms of sleep apnea include loud snoring, waking up tired, dry mouth, teeth grinding, morning headaches, and daytime fatigue. Some patients also experience difficulty concentrating or irritability because they never reach deep restorative sleep. At our office, we look at the airway as part of a comprehensive care. Depending on the patient's needs, treatment may involve collaboration with sleep physicians and oral appliance therapy. Early identification matters because untreated sleep apnea may affect long-term health and quality of life. Reach out to our office if you'd like to learn about screening options.